This is a seed. Inside is a natural intelligence that can help us fight the climate crisis. With soil, this seed will turn into a carbon-eating machine called a tree. Each tree can absorb over a ton of carbon in its lifetime. But with so much carbon being released today, we need trees now more than ever. So every forest is like a living, breathing carbon storage system. More carbon locked in forests means less CO2 in the atmosphere.
I'm Lot Amoros, and I would like to show you how the technology could help Mother Nature fight the climate crisis. For the last 5 years, we have been building tools for large-scale, low-cost reforestation. We started with a drone. After many designs and some crashes, the latest version can distribute 500,000 seeds per flight. Can sow trees on autopilot. And soon we'll use algorithms to select the best locations to make every seed a winner. The hardware and software are open source, so with a bit of know-how, you can download our designs for free and make it yourself. We designed this to be the most replicable, inexpensive drone of its kind. But even very clever drones can't make forest on their own. Remember the seed? It needs some help too. If we coat each seed with a special mix of nutrients, it protects the seed from wildlife, temperatures and dryness, dramatically improving seed establishment. Building on existing technologies, we have found ways to create thousands of seed balls in minutes. Now, we have developed a seed computer for analyzing what nutrients work better for each seed. With these 3 open-source technologies, we can empower everyone with the knowledge and tools to start reforestation around the world, capturing carbon from the atmosphere right now.
Hi, my name's Tristan from Coact. At Coact, we help projects like Dronecoria develop tools to fight climate change. Now Dronecoria need to raise €12,000 to finish developing and sharing these tools.
Every euro beyond this amount will help Dronecoria reforest 30,000 trees here in Catalonia, Spain. If we pass this goal, we can scale the technology worldwide.
Trees for Life is a not-for-profit organisation. The drone seeding system would be a way to make our precious seed go further.
Vemos que o Brasil tem imensas áreas e com esse drone queremos trabalhar a questão do reflorestamento.
So if we could get a drone, that will tremendously help us.
Through illegal logging, many forests in Kenya have tremendously diminished. We wish to use this technology to empower communities to restore forests.
Help us build a common, public platform for reforestation technology by supporting Dronecoria today. Thank you.